with another new video. Today's video is very special for custom launcher lover. Yes, custom launcher. Previously I did review some custom launchers like Niagara, and here we have a different custom launcher right now which is totally based on iOS, and definitely you guys will love it. And this is underrated launcher. Most of you don't know about this. Okay, let me show you. And this is called DNA. Here you guys can see the DNA setting and DNA launcher name is DNA, and you guys will get it on Google Play Store. Just go to Play Store and type DNA. Just type DNA launcher and you guys will get it. So here I am using this one already installed, and after installation you guys will get first look like this. You will get that kind of user interface when you are going to open this for the first time. Then select load all applications, then scroll down, and wallpaper scrolling everything will be like this, and click on grant access. Then click on that tick button. Here we have the tick button, you guys can see mark, and then you guys will get another thing like messaging font. You guys can change font. Some fonts are pre-built here, and then it will load like this. Then you guys will get app library like this. Okay, and we have the app like, and I'm really amazed to see that this is the first launcher I'm getting here in Android 13 which is perfectly working with the gesture. That means navigation pill bar. Okay, this is cool. And we have the launcher animation which is great, and I'm using here Android 13 Alpha Droid. If you missed that customer review, definitely go check out. And I'm just loving this. And don't worry about the icon size. Icon size is bigger. I keep it and I'm loving it. That's why you guys can change the icon shape, icon size, no problem with that. I will talk about this later. And I'm not using the minimalism type. That's why you have to get all the applications in home screen here right now, and you guys can use a dock like iOS, and dock is perfectly working. You can see here, it's really cool. The dock is good. Okay, it's perfectly working. Okay, now let me show you another thing, which is app library. Just like iOS, you will get different categories, just different types, just like this. If you want to open from there, and you can open from directly app library. And here we have recently added. Then we have some apps, all other apps. You guys can just check your apps, or you guys can open your application from app library. And if you don't want to open from app library, then just press and hold any application, press and hold, and you can keep it here wherever you want to keep. And it's just shaking like iOS. Okay, that's really good. And just click on done. So now let's talk about the customization, which is here you guys can change the 3-dot menu. Just click on it and you guys will get page management and personalization. Click on it, you will be able to change size, shape, and icon packs. Okay, icon size can be changed from here, and bold, shadow, and what you need, notifications, in folder widgets, sort by. Okay, which one you like, you can select. This is really insane and cool. Screen grid can be changed, row and column, everything can be changed. So it's up to you how you want to keep. And default, accelerate, overshot, it's cool. Okay, definitely it's cool. And here we have the terms and conditions, and icon shapes can be changed from here. So many icon shapes are there built in. Okay, in with launcher. Another important thing I just want to show, which is if you swipe from bottom to top, you will get the launcher setting. Okay, launcher style. If you don't like the UI right now, then click on minimalism and you will get just like Niagara launcher. Okay, let me show you that thing. And now it's like a Niagara launcher. You will get a interesting thing here. Okay, just like this. and on home screen you will get 1 2 3 4 only 5 applications, and if you need other, you guys can you will get it. Of course you can check just like this which one you need, you can select. Okay, here we have all those. Okay, so which one you like, you can get it. Okay, now let me show you another important thing, and which is very important. Okay, so here we have the DNA launcher. If you want to select DNA setting, okay, we need the DNA setting. Okay, here we have launcher setting. Now if you want to change it classic style, just click on it and you are good to go, and choose built-in wallpaper. If you want to change wallpaper, of course you can go with that, definitely. Then we have home screen, home page, icons, labels, layout, home page, indicator. You guys can select, no problem with the indicator, dots, search, which one you prefer, you can go with that. App dock, which is also gradient finish and horizontal margin, background height, effects, solid color, shape can be changed as well. Okay, weight and height, everything is cool here. And page transit, scrolling, and other home screen setups. Home page indicator, sort by page scrolling, default, decelerate, overshot, animation duration can be changed, which is really cool. And the most important thing is here we have the privacy protect. That means app lock, you will get most of the launcher, but app lock is not working. But this is amazing, this will definitely work. Let me show you that. If you set unlock pattern or anything, and you can definitely hide application as well, which is really cool. And set unlock pattern. Okay, let me show you that. This is it. And if you lock any application, you can easily use that feature. Which one you like, you want to now go to, after setting the unlock pattern, go to manage privacy applications. Which application actually you want to just lock. Okay, now get back. Where is AGC toolkit? This is the AGC toolkit. Okay, I don't know why it's not working. Go to verify, and here manage privacy application. Then you have to open. Okay, let me open drive. Here you can see at the bottom right corner, set as privacy apps. Just click on it, then get back and you're good to go. Now open, and it will ask you the app lock. So if you don't have in your custom launcher or in your custom ROM, if you don't have the app lock, then definitely it's a best choice and best custom launcher for you. So I definitely recommend you guys to use this one, and hope you guys understand full video. Thank you for watching.